boards, 1.5 inch bars versus going with the standard between 1 and 5/8. I think it was 1 and 3/8 or something like that. 1 1/4 to 1 and 3/8. So, but these guys sit up here like that. And I do apologize, I'm not a YouTuber, but I'm trying to talk to you guys and do this at the same time. I'm not for certain. But this video is mainly for requesting feedback on how to fix some issues here that I'm having. I'm putting these top bars in because I want to show you another issue I'm having, and I'm not for certain how to fix that as well. I don't know if it's, you'll see here in a second, my my door, my hood or door, whatever you want to call it, is a little cockeyed, and I've been wrestling with it, trying to get it to fit. For you guys to see. But just to tell you before I go, we just moved to Colorado here. I'm a avid gardener. I have a garden every year. I plan on having a garden here, and I just got some chickens. And so my wife, I think I'm gonna do bees, because as gardeners, you know, bees are a major component to having a successful garden. So I said I want to have bees. Like I said, I did some research and decided to do the top bar. But goal is to, I bought a pack of bees. I'm going to try to, I got a couple swarm boxes. I'm building probably like 3. I'm going to try to catch a swarm, and then I'm going to split my hive when the season over. Hopefully, if I have a queen getting in the making, I'm going to split the hive. So I plan on having 4 top bar hives, and I'm trying to limit to the 4. I only have an acre of land, so try to limit it to the 4 and go from there. But I'm going to show you this door, and it's the last issue I'm having is with the door, and I've been having it since day one. As you can see, initially I thought it was a chain, so I moved the chains on the outside, but the door sits cockeyed, and then if I lift it, twist it, it sits flush. So I don't know if it's the hinges or if it's the door. Anybody got any feedback on that? I appreciate it. Like I said, I do apologize about the poor quality video. I just wanted to give a quick video just to show the hive and to get some feedback on how to fix some things. Hopefully, when it's all said and done, I'll have this all cleaned up, painted, and then I can show you guys the install of the hive and install of the bees. And you guys can, I guess, give me some feedback throughout the process. Any questions for me on what I did, please reach out to me, or if you guys see something awesome that I did, let me know. Once again, I am looking to build 4 of these, so hopefully I'll be successful at keeping bees. Thank you, and have a good one, guys. Bye.